Listen to today's session. So in geography of India, we'll be learning about the whole India, like what kind of geography about the rivers, or it can be about the oceans. So everything that we will be learning in this chapter, that is the geography of India. And in this chapter, and in this chapter, we'll be learning first about the India. So what are all the things are there in the India? The major things we'll be discussing first. So we can see to the point. India is the seventh largest country in the world. As we all know, India is the seventh largest country in the world. They might give you this. So which is the seventh largest country in the world? You have to name that as India. Okay. And the world with an area, the whole world, the whole India is the area of that it is 328,263 square kilometer. When I take the whole area of a particular world, so that is the India, the area is around 328,263 square kilometer. In next point, India is the subcontinent and which is located in the northern and the eastern hemisphere. So it is one of the subcontinents. It's nothing but there are so many continents in India, and this India has been located in the northern part, that is the north and the east part of the hemisphere. So when I come to the longest boundary over here, when I come to the boundaries that what India is sharing with, so here India has shared the boundaries with the Bangladesh, where the boundary of the Bangladesh, that is 4,096 kilometer. When I take the whole boundary, say for example, when I take the whole your room, when I consider your room, so it might be the boundary of your room, it might be around a 50 meter, or it can be sometimes, say for example, it's a 500 meter. But when I take a particular countries or a particular boundaries of India, so it has shared its boundaries with some of the countries. That is about the Bangladesh, the first one, that is 4,096 kilometer. And also the boundary is there near Pakistan too, where the boundary of that Pakistan is 3,323 kilometer. And when I come to the another part, that is on the Nepal side, the India boundary, that is 1,751 kilometer. And when I come to the side of Myanmar, so there also India has shared its boundary, and it is the boundary that is 1,643 kilometer. And when I come to Bhutan also the India has shared the boundary with Bhutan too. So where the boundary here it is 699 kilometer. And also it has shared the boundary with Afghanistan, and the boundary there it is 106 kilometer. So this is about your information regarding the India. Okay. So India is the seventh largest country. That's your first point. The second point will tell you about the whole area of the world, that is of India, that is 3,28,263 square kilometer. And the next one, that is about the subcontinent, which is located in the north and the eastern part. And when I come to the boundaries of India, what it has shared with, so it has shared the boundary with Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan and Afghanistan. But when I come to Bangladesh, the boundary is around 4,096 kilometer. Pakistan boundary is 3,323 kilometer. Nepal boundary is 1,751 kilometer. Myanmar boundary is 1,643 kilometer. Bhutan boundary is 699 kilometer, and Afghanistan, that is 106 kilometer. So this is about your India. All of you start writing this. If any doubt, you can just ping me up in the chat session. As soon as you complete this, you can tell me. All of you start writing this, students. Chirant, you have raised hand. You can just I didn't get you what you are telling, Samarth. Only you have typed. Only one time if you type, it's enough. Yeah, even it shares with China, but the longest part we have taken here. Only the longest parts we have taken. Not all, only the few parts we have taken. So Vinay, you can just write down this, okay? So I'm just talking about the world, not about the particular part, Samat. I'll come to that point. Don't worry again. Why India will share the boundaries means, what can I give you the answer if you ask me like this? India will not share the boundaries. So when you draw the India map, the boundaries you start drawing, the lines and all, that's all nothing but the boundaries. Achut, that is seventh largest country, Achut. It's not nine. Ataf, second part, I'll explain you again, don't worry. So it's all about the boundaries. So India's boundaries, what it has shared with. I'll explain you that, don't worry again. People, you can start writing. You have to write this. As soon as you complete this, you can just tell me. Again, you should not tell I have not written. I can see some of the people are not writing. Please do write it. Bharat, Udisha, enable your videos. Yes, Pragna, very good. Yes, it is summer. Lakshit has completed. Very good, Lakshit. Samarth, yes. Chirag completed. Fine. Adhya finished. Okay. Yuktesh. Yes, Yuktesh, but only the few names I have taken here. That's all. It shares with that also, but still only the largest one we have taken here. Pragna done. Good. Who else are writing? Complete it soon. If you complete soon, we'll have the quiz at the end. Yes, Vinay. First part, that is the seventh largest country. India is one of the seventh largest country. Second, we are talking about the area of the world. And third, we are talking about the subcontinent. Subcontinent is shared with northern and the eastern parts too. And when I come to the fourth point, it's all about the boundaries that India has shared. So Bangladesh, so it has shared the boundary with Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan, as well as with the Afghanistan. So it has shared the boundary with Bangladesh, that is 4096 kilometer, Pakistan 3323 kilometer, Nepal 1751 kilometer, Myanmar 1643 kilometer, Bhutan 699 kilometer, and Afghanistan is 106 kilometer. Okay. Archit completed. Tanma, yes, thank you. Same to you. Vinay, ma'am, what is, ma'am, why India's called us? So India is called a subcontinent. Why? Because it is one of the religion, like we have Southern Asia part, Northern Asia part. So that's the reason we start calling that as a subcontinent. It has divided into some of the subparts. Got this now? So hope everybody has completed this. So you have Northern Asia, Southern Asia like that, south part, west part, southeast and all. So that's the reason it is called like that, Vinay. Complete it soon. Atab, you have raised hand. What happened? Pavan Kumar done. Okay. Vinay, you have raised hand. What happened? Oh, Atab. Okay, fine, good. Write little bit bigger, na? So hope everybody has completed this. Anybody is writing still? Archit, yes, I can see it. Good. Anybody is writing still? Fine. Hope everybody has completed this now. Let me go with the next part. I have disabled your chat session now. So you all can listen to me for the next part of it. Listen everyone. So now we'll study about the highest peaks which are there in India. Okay. So the highest peaks we are talking about. So here is a list of highest peak and here is a list of the height and here is the state where the peak belongs to. When I come to Mount K2, the height of the Mount K2 is 8,611 in meters they have given. Okay. So 8,611 meter, which is there in the border of Pakistan, which belongs to India itself. And next we have Kanchenjunga. This is your second highest peak, where the height it is 8,598 meter, which is near Sikkim. Third one, that is Nanda Devi. So the height it is a 7,817 meter, which is in Uttarakhand. And the next we have that is Soltaro Kangri. So where the height of that is 7,742 in meter, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. And then we have Kongato. The height it is 7,090 meter, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. And then we have Rio Kogal, where the height it is 6,816, which is located in Himachal Pradesh. And next we have Saramati. The height it is 3,841. It belongs to the state of Nagaland. And then we have Sandakphu, where the height is 3,636 meter of that peak, and the peak is located in the West Bengal. And next we have Kayang. Kayang peak height is 3,114 meter, where it is located in Manipur. And next we have Anaimudi. The height of the peak is 2,695 meter, which is located in Kerala. And next, the last one we have Doddabetta. The height of that is 2,636 meter and which is located in Tamil Nadu. We have the list of 7 peaks over here. You can make out you can start writing all the 7 peaks. Put the table, start writing as it is. So complete it soon. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. As soon as you people completed this, you can just ping me up. Complete it. All of you enable your video and start writing. And when you are writing, please go through that whatever you are writing. Read that once and start writing. Tanmay, what's this 66666? Okay, it's okay, Tanmay. You can write it. Yes, sir. Yes, Arush. But only the highest one we have taken here. Yes, yes, Yupesh, it is. We have already discussed regarding this in the last chapter. So is it completed, students? No. Oh, what a kind of actions you people will do? Complete. Be quicker. Satvik writing complete soon. Who else are writing completed soon? Who is writing still? Just tell me now. Ganesh is writing. Only Ganesh is writing. Apart from him, how many people are writing? Archit is writing. Archit, you have raised hand. What happened? You can leave the message in the chat session. I'll ping you up here. What happened? Pragna, you are writing. Okay. Only 3 people are writing. Others have completed. Is it completed, students? Yes or no? Aha, 2 thumbs up. Good. See, look at that smile. Ha 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 ha. Adhya finished. Good, Adhya. So shall I go with the next part now? Can I go with the next part? Anybody is writing still? Come on, tell me, anybody is writing still? Okay, shall I continue now? Fine. Okay, hope everybody has completed this. So now let me continue. I have disabled your chat session now. You people all can listen to me for the next part. So right now we have discussed about the highest peak which is there in India. Next, let us have a look into the rivers and lakes. Okay, most of the rivers in India form 4 large river systems. So usually we have so many rivers and lakes in India. So in that we have made the division of 4 systems. So what are all those 4? We'll just have a look into that. The first one, that is Ganga. Okay, Ganga is the source of the Ganga is that Gangotri, which is of Uttarakhand, which starts from that. and it drains into, that means it's going to flow in the place of Bay of Bengal, and after it's going to merge with Brahmaputra, and then it will form one of the new river, that is the river Padma. And it is considered one of the holiest river for Hindus. Usually people will be talking about the Ganga river, right? If we go and take a bath, so it's one of the holiest river, they'll be talking about it. And the place where the Yamuna meets the Ganga at Allahabad, that is called as Sangam. So we all heard about this name Sangam, isn't it? So Sangam is also from Ganga itself. So it is the place where Yamuna is going to meet the river Ganga, both when both this river meets. So these both river meets in Allahabad. So then we are going to call that as a Sangam. So this is about your river Ganga. All of you start writing regarding the Ganga. Easiest part, whatever you all know, the same thing we are discussing here. There is nothing new here. Okay, start writing. All of you enable your video and start writing. Vinay, are you crying? What happened, Vinay? No, you're crying again. Make out. What happened? Are you all right? Fine. You cannot chat, huh? Rejoin once. Bharat, Adhya, enable your video. Achit, Yuktesh, Lalit, enable your video. Mohit, Arush, Pragna, Disha, Ranjit, Satvik, Pranav, Abhiram, Ram, Lakshit, Pavan, enable your videos quickly. Danush, Parikshit, Bharat Acharya, Bhavish, Tushar, Gauda. Come on, all of you enable your videos. And one more information, yesterday I gave, okay, just a minute. Yes, now you people can chat with me. So yesterday I gave you one problem in mathematics. Actually the question is wrong. Okay, don't try that question, and you just give some space over there. Okay, for that 7th question of mathematics class, I'll solve you in the next session. Okay. Acha, fine. Is it completed? Anybody is writing still? You did not understand the heading. So we have so many rivers and lakes in India. So by combining all those rivers and lakes, we have made the 4 main major types here. Okay, that the first part is Ganga. The other 3 parts, let us learn. Okay. So is it completed, students? If you're quick, we'll have some interesting session on at the end. Be quicker. Complete it soon. Come on. You have not completed. Complete Achut, Lalit, Pranav. Lakshit done. Okay. Okay. Anybody is writing still? Fine. Pranav, you're writing. Complete soon. Ganesh, even you're writing. Complete it soon, Ganesh. Vinay is not writing. Abdurrahman Khan is writing. Complete it soon. Pranav done. Atab, you're writing. Complete it soon, students. Be quicker. Complete it soon. Is it completed? Shall I go on with the next part now? Shall I move on? Who else are writing still? The last time I'm asking. So fine. Hope everybody has completed this. Now I'll be disabling your chat session, and your chat session has been disabled now. Look into the next part of it. Okay. So the next part, we have learned now regarding the Ganga, and now we'll be learning about the Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the second main type, and the source of this Brahmaputra lake, that is Manasa Sarovar, that is starts from China. Okay, so Brahmaputra source is nothing but Manasa Sarovar, which is in China, and it starts flowing from Bay of Bengal, and later it will merge with Ganga. Brahmaputra will also merge with the river Ganga. Okay, so this is about your second part. The third one, that is Indus. So Indus is also one of the river. Okay, so when I come to Indus source, that is near the lake Manasa Sarovar, again that is in China, but it is there at the Tibetan place. And the drains, when I come to where and all it flows, so it drains into Arabian Sea, which is of Pakistan. Okay, Indus, it's totally Pakistan and China, which we don't like it, isn't it? And the fourth one, that is Peninsular River. River is, it is of Indian Peninsula. The name is only peninsular. Okay, and the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, all the combination of this river that will flow in the eastwards. Okay, so that is also called as Indian Peninsula. And the Narmada River, Tapi River, Periyar River, this all the rivers which starts flowing on the westwards. So this is about your river Brahmaputra, Indus and Peninsular River. So now you can all start writing this. As soon as you complete, you can just tell me. Only two points. Complete of soon. Yes, I can. My what happened? You can't chat, huh? So all of you start writing quickly. Complete it. Okay, there was some network issue. I'll just share the screen. Okay. Yes, hope the screen is visible. You can just ping me up in the chat session. Complete it soon. I want everyone to write this. Take down, everyone. Yes, Vinay, it is. Is it completed, students? Are you writing still? Enable your videos and start writing, everyone. All of you must enable your videos. Complete it soon. Pragna completed, okay. Who else are writing? Complete it soon. Tanmay done, okay. Pranav done, fine. Adhya finished. Fine. Who else are writing still? May I know that? Who is writing still? Who is writing still? So fine. Hope everybody has completed this. Now look into the next part. So for this, I will complete today's session. Now let's just move on to the quiz part. So apart from this, we have some of the things I have. Apart from this chapter, the next thing I'm going to